Here is how to create 300 YouTube Shorts with ChatGPT in 5 minutes. This will help your channel gain more subscribers and views. Let's train and ask ChatGPT the following. I want you to make me motivational quotes about love in the following style I am going to teach you. The quotes need to be made out of 2 parts. The first part will make the reader curious about the second part, and the second part will simply be the end of the quote. Please put the results in the table with 2 columns. Here are 2 examples. First part, the path of love may. Second part, lead to unexpected bliss. If you want more quotes, simply ask ChatGPT, please provide me 30 quotes in this style. I will now save the results in an Excel document. You can always use Google Sheets for free. Now let's go to canva.com and create the videos. I will search for mobile video and select Create a Blank Mobile Video. Here, I will search for quotes, but you can search and choose any template you like. You can change the font, colors, and styles as you like in Canva. I will duplicate the first caption, since we have 2 of them, and rename them Part 1 and Part 2. I will adjust the video length to 10 seconds, but if you have more text, feel free to adjust it so the viewer has time to read it. Since I have 2 parts, the first part will be 7 seconds with a 1-second pause, and the second part will be 2 seconds. Right-click on the text, select Adjust Timing, and drag to adjust the timing for both parts. Now, go to Apps and search for Bulk Create. Click the Enter Data Manually button and clear the existing table. From the Excel document, copy and paste the quotes here and click the Done button. Now, it is time to connect the elements. Right-click on the Part 1 text, choose Connect Data, and select First Part. I will do the same for Part 2. Now, drag the second caption to the center. Once this is done, simply click Continue and Generate. And here you have 30 shorts created. You can, of course, change the background for some of them, maybe add music, and so on.